Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another vlog. Actually, this vlog is very old. We went to an industry visit and it was in Bangalore. And उसके पहले हमारा होली का ये भी था, तो it starts with that. Okay, this is me after playing होली. होली खेल के मैं आई हूँ और होली खेलने के बाद मैंने सिर्फ 1 घंटा लिया नहाने को और मैंने जितना मेरे को करना था उतना किया, लेकिन ये गया ही नहीं. बट इट्स फाइन. I have to stay like this in the entire industrial visit. Who are you saying hard? Aditi, Sai and Harshit. हम बस लेकर आए और 1 घंटा इधर हम वेट कर रहे हैं, पता नहीं किस लिए. हमें खुद से हम लोग को भेजा नहीं था. हम लोग बस से आए, कॉलेज के बस से आए. कॉलेज ने अरेंज किया था और अभी हम ट्रेन के लिए रुक रहे हैं. आई एम नॉट एबल टू स्पीक हिंदी, व्हाट द हेल. ओके, ट्रेन के लिए रुक रहे हैं एंड इट्स गोना टेक अस 1 hour फॉर वी आर गोना वेट फॉर an hour. But hi.
Tired.
She's tired, but you didn't play Holi.
I didn't sleep also last night.
Okay.
That's our train.
It's our train.
Yeah.
Oh, so we can go and sit.
But there will be no AC apparently.
We will come out.
We'll put the
Put
luggage.
the luggage and yeah.
Hey, wait.
Hello to my vlog.
We look like dumb.
We are in train finally. And हमने actually मतलब कारुण्या और वैष्णवी they went to you went where? हाँ, केक स्टूडियो गए थे वो चाट खाने. And we were worried कि वो टाइम पे आएंगे कि नहीं, but वो आ गए. Anyways, they bought us chaat. This is my favorite chaat from Cake Studio. Anyways, I love my life. I literally love my life.
Okay, we are gonna hold you accountable for that sentence you just said for the rest of your life.
Yeah. What? What do you mean?
You love your life.
I do. Sometimes it just gets very irritated. Look at the way Pooja is eating there. हम पहुंच गए बैंगलोर. Oh my god, I look so horrible. I don't want to look at my face. Look at my face.
Look at mine as well. ठीक है.
Honey, good morning. What is up with you? She's just happy because she's in Bangalore, right? I am still pink. Okay. कनिष्का ने बताया कि मैं अभी भी पिंक हूँ.
गुलाल लेडी.
हम लोग ऑटो के लिए वेट कर, वो ऊबर ऑटो बुक करी है और हम लोग ऑटो के लिए वेट कर रहे हैं. मेट्रो
Metro is there, but you have to take auto to metro, but there's only 10 minutes left.
Bye guys. She's going home. She's ditching all of us.
I
Oh my god, look at this thing on top of your head. It's going like this.
See, multiple.
Yeah. Oh.
I'm scared that it'll shit on my head.
On our way to the hotel. Bangalore is also too cold.
It's not cold.
It is cold.
It's not cold.
It is cold.
It's normal. Because Bangalore mein, when it's cold, you can't sit like this. It's gonna
Like we're here, but we're waiting for our faculty to like come so we can go. Anyways, okay guys, so this is our room and we are gonna be here like till Thursday. That means we have to stay here for another 2 days. And मैं अकेली आई हूँ अभी के लिए बिकॉज पूजा, हनी और वैशु नहीं, कारुण्या का अब तक रजिस्ट्रेशन नहीं हुआ है. सो आई एम वेटिंग फॉर देम एंड देन we will start getting ready and we will leave. Okay guys, so like we are all ready and we are waiting for Aditi and Sai to like pull up and then we are gonna go to have breakfast together and then we'll go to the location and we have to hurry.
We need to hurry.
Yeah.
It's 9:05.
These guys are here.
Honey, not that side, this side.
Aditi, Sai, Harshini,
I know, but this
Janita, everyone is here. Look at Karunya, she looks like she is in Dora the Explorer. She is the Dora the Explorer. Breakfast. Sorry.
I mean,
I'm going to the location right now and that's it. I'm in the auto. Hi guys, we are finally here but then ये लोग 11 o'clock को open करते हैं and we are here at 10:15. Now we have to wait for like 45 minutes. Can we go somewhere just for like walk or something? We are here.
It's from the Hulivesha collection. And I think a lot of you have understood what Hulivesha is. Hulivesha is a form of dance that's originated from Karnataka. It's a tiger dance, and so these symbols are inspired from that from the tiger. So the stars here are woven in Karnataka itself from various weavers. So it's Bangalore silk, and this is embroidered over here. So it's basically a contemporary fusion of traditional aspects of textiles and a very contemporary silhouette that I've tried to do here. So that's what I mentioned.
And this is how the hand embroidery was what is doing there in town of the this is the town. So you can have a look over there.
So this basically, this sari is actually made of real gold, and it's some. So you must have heard of Mysore silk saris, right? So this is a variation or a type of Mysore silk or Mysore crepe silk sari. So crepe is a type of weave that sort of gives you this shiny, soft fabric. So all of this that's used here is real gold. So this sari I think has around 260 grams of gold, and that's why when you see the difference when you see real gold and normal zari threads, there's a very different shine that you get from it. So this is very subtle shine, while the fake zari is a very striking.
There are 4 tailors that sit over here who take care of the stitching and everything, after which the finishing takes care over there. So they add all the buttons, the beads, the thread cutting, everything is finally done over there. This is where the finishing.
Hi guys, now we are done with this store. We are out of the store. Now it's 12 o'clock and so we need to reach by the 2 and we have to finish with our lunch and all. I'm already tired. We went to the room and ordered lunch and we ate. And now we are going back again. Are we late? Are we late?
We will reach at 2:20, so 10 minutes before we'll be there.
Yeah. Charlotte here.
I can't tell you when it's
So
from.
it's very difficult to actually talk about the period.
because it's been. But some of the oldest pieces that we have here, we do estimate to be around the time of Aurangzeb. They're old pieces of paitani, palla, and borders with real gold zari. This one would be much younger, like we said, they're from when the British were around. This was made in Banaras, we know that. It had come to us as a donation. And yeah, it's all woven.
This is silver, right?
It's, yeah, silver zari.
This is the original.
Yes.
Oh, this is what we were.
And then we tried to recreate it, but getting that quality of zari with that high percentage of real silver is a task. It's not affordable either. We can look very closely into the textile to see what fibers are used. Polyester called Tyvek, so that it prevents dust and insects and humidity from getting to it. So this is from the other collection, Meanings Metaphors, which is the Khadi collection, and it's kind of our collection of skill. So if you look at this sari, this is made in West Bengal, and it has a temple border, and the temples here are almost invisible. Yeah, they're very, very small. Can you just move back a little so I can open this a little more?
Oh,
So
I
yeah,
can
over
see
here
it.
you can't even touch
Yeah.
the textiles without the trousers. So there you can see the scale of that temple.
Yeah.
These used to be made separate and then attached to any sari. So you could like take it off and attach it to your next sari. Because it's all real gold. You're not going to throw it in the bin after you're done.
It's not even cotton silk, it's only cotton.
It's all pure cotton. So most traditional fabric in India is cotton. Sari, the silk comes in much later. So all older pieces will all be cotton. So usually you can't tell unless you know the provenance. Like if someone you get it from tells you, oh, my grandmother commissioned it here and here. There are people who have that kind of documentation. But from what we hear from Ali, these are mostly around Aurangzeb's time. So yeah, you can even see the weaving techniques, how it all interlocks, how the materials interact with each other.
Like we are done with the
It's not a loading for any of you.
sari reserve thingy. Yeah.
Registry of sarees.
Yeah, registry of saris. They changed our perspective over handloom industry.
Yes. Like
Yeah.
there was someone who appealed to our generation
Yeah.
without all the total nonsense that we feel about handloom.
No.
I don't feel the same derogatory way I used
Yeah.
to think of handloom anymore.
That's for sure.
we always
You should
appreciate it
visit
the way
it
they
too.
would do it. I used to not think anything about handloom, but I always felt
actually
like
after
people
this
who
I'm
said
like
it were
maybe
never
we can
sincere
actually
about
do
it.
something
But I
about
can see the
handloom, ma'am.
sincerity and passion they have in their lives that makes me
Exactly.
passionate about
They are
it.
doing everything so passionately.
And you know that
we are at Commercial Street and we are gonna go shop. Karunya basically कोई Shein का outlet ढूंढ रही है. I don't know. So like she's searching on Google Maps. She's literally looking like Dora the Explorer. Fashion students looking at embellishments and shit.
we have to
But-
learn about trends.
Yeah, I know. Me having veg momos. I hate veg momos, but still I'm hungry. Hi guys, this is the day 2 of our industry visit, and आज हमारा सुबह का प्लान क्या हो गया? कैंसिल हो गया because पोस्टपोन हो गया टुमारो के लिए.
tomorrow के लिए
तो हम लोग अभी UB City जा रहे हैं. UB City अलवे. You guys here with me. People have went to check auto का rates and all, and if it's expensive, they're coming. If it's expensive, then we will go by metro. So let's go.
And then he gave off for 30-40 rupees.
These people here. Waste. Yeah, she made this by the way, and she's wearing my chappal. And look at these window displays. Oh my god, I'm in love with it. Okay.
Watch, we can go anything we know.
This is so pretty. Actually, we came back to the room, and we were just chilling in our room because there was nothing to like do anything apart from that, and we wanted to rest. And now we came like 9:30ish to the ice cream parlor, and I bought yogurt. This is wild berry, and this is strawberry and with whipped cream, and it's nice. I like it. What did you get?
I got wildberry, but I finished it, and this one is brownie chocolate.
I got donut, extra dark, and a meringue cookie.
Yeah, mine is better.
No, mine is better. I can place it and it's so cute for pictures.
Oh please, let it be. You didn't even take a picture.
Yeah, who cares?
This is the third day and we are already at the industry. And he's waiting there. I don't know for what. It's Indian Designs Export Private Limited. Somewhere. I'm sleepy. We're actually here waiting for people. We were supposed to get in by 10:30 and it's 11 already. And I am just very mad because I can't sit like these people are sitting. So I'm wearing white. I wanna go back. इंडस्ट्री में जाने के बाद हमने ये रियलाइज़ किया कि वो लोग ने हम लोग को कुछ भी रिकॉर्ड वगैरह करने नहीं दिया है, और वो लोग ने ऐसे स्पेसिफिकली मेंशन भी किया था कोई यूट्यूबर है क्या, तो मैंने मस्त किया और उन्होंने बोला नो वीडियोस है, एंड आई वाज लाइक आई वाज हार्ट ब्रोकन, बट द इंडस्ट्री विजिट वाज नाइस एंड इट ब्रोक माय स्पाइन, बट हियर वी आर. We're going to Rameshwaram Cafe and we're gonna have to and पूजा और हनी चले गए हैं. पूजा का फ्लाइट था तो फिर पूजा चले गई हनी के साथ. Rameshwaram. Okay. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you liked this video, and if you did, then please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. And I will meet you next week.